some letters have been making rounds for the state of health of Ken Ofori Atta. And you will say, and some news portals publish letters be from purportedly coming from Mayo Clinic, a hospital, Ken Ofori Atta Edda. Na enam suma OSP issue statement ene. Na OSP statement no mekan amamona afi other statement nso a efi Ken Ofori Atta lawyers who abounce no yasan akan eno nso ato yanti OSP a public notice almost say the office of the Special Prosecutor has become aware of a publication on online media purporting to be a letter from a hospital containing alleged medical report of Mr. Ken Ofori Atta. We wish to place on record that neither Mr. Ofori Atta nor his lawyers have submitted any such letter to the OSP. And where public notice at OSP ni issue ene. The only correspondence received from his legal representatives is a letter notifying the OSP of a change in his medical condition and on their say-so. It is notable that this alleged hospital letter has been circulated through the media rather than submitted to the law enforcement agency actively investigating him and responsible for decisions regarding his return to Ghana. To date, no certified medical records or official document from any hospital authority has been submitted to the OSP, indicating that Mr. Ofori Atta is incapacitated or unable to travel to Ghana. In the way of June 3rd, 2025, and the OSP issues a public notice. The all kind of say letters are making round online say Ken Ofori Atta a doctor for na atro etre Ken Ofori Atta yari sisi ane nsemo ayo koso no OSP no obia man nsan kan letter bia from hospital bia inti the only letter when you Ken Ofori Atta lawyers were letter na omo ka kire OSP say enya dia Ken ebetimi aba be hia na enra said you know ade betu dwa on the press conference or enra no emu. In apart from that, you will not letter be from any hospital be a kasa Ken Ofori Atta yare anase bibisa. Na minka premo osaibonsu Bruce Catlin and partners ena lawyers edema Mr. Kenneth Ofori Atta. Na on the 28th of May omo letter omo de kokoma OSP referred to say that's the only correspondent and insaka no any or say update on the medical position of Ken Ofori Atta and we addressed to the Kissi Agyebeng further to our letter of 18th February 2025 and following your indulgence dated 18th February 2025 wherein you rescheduled the interview date to 2nd June 2025, we wish to inform you that the medical expert has diagnosed our client with cancer and has thus earmarked 13th June 2025 for surgery, for which reason our client is unable to return to Ghana as scheduled. As you are aware, the situation has been brought to the attention of the court. In order not to hold you back in the performance of your function regarding interviewing our client who you deem a suspect, we have instructions to inform you of our client's readiness to go through video recorded interview, VRI, for the purpose of your office eliciting a caution statement from him on the 2nd of June 2025 or a date at your convenience. We shall be ready to meet you in person in your office to enable you view the biopsy report of our client. Alternatively, we may approach the bench for such viewing if that is your preference. We count on your cooperation regarding the VRI. Yours faithfully. In the Minka Premo Sabonso Bruce Catlin and Partners and a true letter. We let away and Robitia OSP car said Wakan letter and show me request, but he will decline the invitation to go and see biopsy report no on Konkoshe. And video recorded interview no sooner no propose say Ofori Atta be no or say no so nya dia obepene. He demands the physical presence of Ofori Atta within the jurisdiction of Ghana and for him to appear before the office of the special prosecutor in person. The drama continues. The question is, what next? In the NA, red alert abem, wanted abem, fugitive fleeing justice and all of that. Big question. What next? Ekosi saying Suni, Ehaya Sempa, 94.7 FM.
What is it about it? What kind of country that any year building? Are we resetting the country? What is this?
Yeah.
And I have to be honest with you. Mampenyana muntu awotu eni na juma ifoni bi nyuma mu yen ebo bra. Let obiye na me say na okwa de we kra ye di normal come na me person me part of this conversation. Yes sir, na me makoma eye me ya kakra. Me doctor so aka chem say me tumi bo azafo na me go through the process bia onyamba ma do na fu betwe me so beti kakra. Timi tumi but I can't. Sometimes often chemi Dr. Dazi. Often chemi. How do you look on? Obiye so the mere ye adwuma o my home.
Yes.
Now you hear the way money you put in now. You're not careful. We are all at risk. Look at the OSP. Who the show OSP busao? Sir, only Ofori Atta as you do me, I do. I'll show you a paralyzer in common. I can't see no more. How do we pronounce somebody a wanted person? One day, man. Pure court education. Now, the kind you accused area Ofori Atta court about Kweduana. Okay. When they declare Obisa or you wanted, then I think
the OSP Act, no, OSP, no, that power. Ordinarily, I was say a court.
Okay.
Into there is still divided opinions on that. If we say, I've read articles from some lawyers. If we say, it was Sanka or court answer. Others feel say based on the wording of the act. OSP no 2 minutes to declare somebody wanted. But I think we cover by say he is investigating some issues. We are setting out 5 issues are we investigating Ofori Atta on. Ofori say here Ofori Atta in the jurisdiction to appear before him.
In the absentia. So you're an absentia.
Okay, I think it's a very good question. But before that, the Ofori Atta is under investigation by the OSP for 5 key issues. Number 1, petroleum and minerals revenue assurance. Contract between SML and GRA. Number 2, electricity contract termination, cancellation of ECG's agreement with Beijing BXC. Number 3, National Cathedral. Procurement and payment processes. Or say we investigating. Number 4, ambulance deal. Ministry of Health contract for 307 ambulances. Number 5, GRA tax P fund, handling and disbursement of tax fund account. It was say he is investigating Ofori Atta on these 5. Good. The question has been asked, sir.
So that the OSP, if he's listening, will know that some of us are not in tune.
Okay, we're That's fine. In the question, then they say, does he necessarily need Ofori Atta within the jurisdiction to appear before him and son of the person Oyebiano? I think it's yes.
I said tried in absentia. na ma me kwan ama na ntimi ama am so lawyer say whether you are there or not, na say mo na say trial in absentia lawyer ni be medjira mu no ma be kawazem so say unyin nimpo say nyoma na okika and since when obi ye dey obi medical year or this from eye nipa mu no ye ni ho kwan ni ye be hazard guess we can I say the CNP say this is what is happening to that person between you know
let me issue this way say lawyer Kissi Agyebeng senior lawyer senior man in the minute they are making you just me elementary understanding.
Hold on. Hold on. Please, you see, that is the challenge we have.
That's why he's senior.
Nobody refuses that seniority. It does not stop you. You are not discussing him. You are discussing the law.
Of course.
So you don't have limited. You will be exposed. But it is the law. Your understanding of the law.
Sure.
You have given him that acknowledgement, sir, or your senior most. I didn't tell me the assembly also a senior, sir. Nobody does that. But when we are discussing it, during the question of quarter, or senior to a judge, who the back on the and you senior say, but the bono and you need it. Maybe be a lay person, maybe out of ignorance. I'm asking these questions. And get me okay.
Me understanding, Oman, and say in criminal procedure, who say tankers for. So tankers for they can issue criminal summons against you. Abrekwa yenchil. So you are aware. Tankers for can issue criminal summons against you. Abra yenchil. Without arrest, criminal summons can be issued. In fact, say we won't go by criminal summons, but now obey the friend charge sheet. In what charging the pan edene air quarter. Who's also serving
the criminal summons in
the fan say you issue process against you.
Okay.
Yenchil. In the end, my brother say ufie. By law, we say me ufie fee. Me a tankers. Me buy me say ufie. Baby apoto. Me to do court straight.
Who say because say order.
Tankers can issue criminal summons against you. You understand? Court bet me a kawaseme diwasana. E de wasi e de ya ono yetimi e de ya. Where you have to prepare charge sheet to the Nipana court, was serving Nipano, and room produce even with the charge sheet. Say the court. Mercy, I say 7 years in your own team in server. Meet me court, echo coyer, the friend is substituted service. In the court, the mama crying say, okay, so mintiming far, rate me share same personally. Ebia met me ascend WhatsApp, met me a publish a newspaper, met me the ababo, Odai, and name and all of that substituted service. On Sabbath me a care was set. Based on that, where they who appear in court. Say a court based on substituted service. That's a ma. Who say I can get the court to issue a bench warrant for you. And say court didn't issue bench warrant now. Baby, I will be. I will say you do over.
Okay, so say me point the person say. Me person me imagine.
Yes.
Me person OSP no krano. Say on share court Jumede Biase. They say go sasie because no matter what can.
Yes.
Ghanaians are eager to know the outcome. It is on share court.
And that's what I'm saying. Say a basse can Ofori Atta Empire.
Yeah.
Processor obetimi afrom ebina making. Inti bench warrant the anywho. Then say bench warrant is where you na fana ma. Then you can invoke Article 19. Try and yes.
Say all yes. Because just say we dig dream be.
Of course.
I know she
and mind you say there is no law. A say accused person and as a suspect. Some about before an investigative team.
They say OSP.
Yeah.
Oti can refer to better.
You would be not. Ubusani bibi on carry. Ubusani bibi on carry. Yes.
It's no finding cocotte.
And Muntina Nipane Mayan before you know. And yet all in all. Because Ofori Atta can come actually. And ranko bit me about Oba not tell OSP Busani baby no comment.
That's over them.
In fact, mind you say, so okay, there is a case Tagore versus the Republic. The court was clear. Say the silence of the accused person, no, and yet the fact say with prosecution you have to prove your case beyond reasonable doubt. In fact, say a basa court minya doubt kakrebi about the other two court it inures to the benefit of the accused person. In fact, Osha this case, Akili versus the Republic, the court was clear. Say who the court made to the state of say adeɛ yɛsi anaasɛ ɛnsi adeɛ ɛsi anaasɛ ɛnsi a